The AI in Padlet is some of the best that I've ever seen, and I'm going to show you today how the custom board can generate content for you which you can then use with your students. You can do it online or you could print it out and use it in the class. This is superb. So I'm going to use the free tool and I'm going to click on Make, and then the one that I want to work with is simply the one here that's called Custom Board. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write some instructions here exactly what I want to be generated. So I've simply asked for the system to produce 10 of the most important events of the last century. Can you write a short description of each event and provide a picture? My idea is that I'm going to share this with students and then get them to comment on which one they think is the most important. Let's see the results. I just need to click on Create. And now we've got our list. You can see that the AI generated this content. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up an activity where students have to choose one of them and then write a short reason why they think it is the most important single event. I'm going to show you one brilliant trick that will help. Go down to Settings and come down to the Post fields. And in the Post fields, I want you to turn off all of the attachments. None. Save. This means now that the only thing that the students can do is write their name and then write their choice and the reason. And I can even make it more interesting by clicking on subject and changing that to name. So I'm going to write in here name. So the students will write their name here. Okay, I'm going to save that. And then in the body, I'm going to write the question, what event was the most important and why? Nothing else. Going to save that. I want that as required. And in fact, I also want the question of the name to be required. Save that. Now what will happen when the students click onto the Padlet, and I'll show you in a minute how to share the Padlet, they can click here and notice all they can do is write their name and then write their answer. So I've written in my justification and I'm going to click on Publish, and now my comment will be added at the end of the list and all the other students can add their ideas here too. Now, how do you share this with the students so that they can access it? Well, you click on the share button here and you have two options. You can copy the link and share that with the students, or you can get a QR code and the students can access via the QR code. If you want more free videos on how to use technology in language teaching, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. There's loads of content, including a special section of AI videos. If you really want to follow my work, sign up to the newsletter. If you sign up to the newsletter, at the moment there is a free 14-part video course in how to use technology in language teaching, where I focus on most of the best free tools that are available. There are no tricks and you get sent one video every 3 or 4 days.